Whenever you need to center text across several cells in the same row, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to make the text budget in cell A1 be centered across the cells A1, B1, C1, and D1. To do this, first, I select the cell that contains budget. And I also select the cells B1, C1, and D1 because I want to center budget across the cells A1, B1, C1, and D1. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse. And from the floating menu, I select the option Format Cells. Third, I click the tab Alignment. Fourth, from the horizontal drop-down list, I select the option Center Across Selection. Finally, I click OK. As a result, the text budget is horizontally centered across the selected cells.